Hey guys, what's up? It's Frank here from Altcoin Buzz. So today we're going to look at a coin which is performing particularly well, which is Fantom FTM. Fantom is currently in 62nd place on CoinGecko in terms of the top 100 cryptocurrencies. However, if you rank these top 100 by the past 7 days, you can see Fantom actually places 4th. Why? Because over the past 7 days, most altcoins have actually seen double-digit losses. So what makes FTM so interesting? Why is it outperforming? What can be said about the previous day's action, which has been rather bearish? And how can we put that in the context of the past couple of weeks? Where are the support levels and where are the resistance levels? These are the questions which we will be answering today. So stick around until the end of the video to hear my price prediction for FTM. Also guys, KuCoin is having its first futures global team battle. In this challenge, you stand to win very interesting prizes and share in $1 million USDT prize pool. You will also get prizes for the best teams, the best team leaders, lucky draw prizes, newbie airdrops, and much more. Joining this challenge is very simple. You just go to futures.kucoin.com/activity, a link which you can find in the YouTube script description down below. Then join a team, invite your friends, and start trading. The mechanics are very simple. The more trade volume you have, the more prizes you will win. This challenge lasts until July 31st, and Altcoin Buzz is taking part as well. So if you would like to join our team, then find the link in the YouTube description down below. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any future updates. And finally, please note that none of this is financial advice. So the first thing which is noteworthy on the daily time frame, the likely explanation for why we have seen one big fat day of red here on the 25th of July is that we have, of course, the elusive bearish divergence here, the higher high on price and the lower low on RSI, okay? However, we are also seeing a clearly bullish candle here on the 19th of July, for which we saw solid volume. So let's track back the history to the last times we saw this type of volume. The last time was back here on the 13th of June. We had a bullish candle here, a green candle with the wick taking us right back up. And this, of course, marked the pivot low of this move up. We saw about a 64% move up from there. The last time we had a lot of volume, a volume spike, this marked a pivot high, so again a defining point on this chart, and of course it came from a bearish candle, this wick pushing us up and taking us right back down. That was the bearish showing that they were in control. And the previous time we had a volume spike where we had a bullish candle was back here at the end of this move down, and of course here we also had a 115% move up. So my guess is that this is an important candle to note. Of course, it also marks the end of a downtrend here on the daily time frame, a break of previous daily highs. And I suspect that we are likely going to see anywhere between a 50 and potentially even 120% move up from here based off of the volume of this candle and the fact that we are in an uptrend on the daily chart. Another reason which suggests that we are likely going to see a move up from here is that we saw a contraction of the Bollinger Bands, from which we now have broken out through the upside. Again, a very, very good sign that momentum has shifted into the favor of the bulls. And in terms of resistances, the resistances to watch out for are number one, the $0.3683 level, which is the 4-hour time frame previous high. And then number two, if we zoom out, I always tell you guys about the importance of zooming out to get the bigger picture, to get as much data as you possibly can. And if we do that here, we can see that the next relevant resistance level is at the 0.4498 at the top of this volume cluster, which also represents almost the candle close that we saw back here on the 23rd of May. And if we break that level, the next level would be the $0.6538 level, which marks a previous low. But of course, we could see a big move if we break this second resistance level up to that next level. So it's quite exciting times, quite potentially good entries, but of course, this is not financial advice. Please trade at your own discretion. Now, when it comes to support levels, the most immediate support level is likely the 0.2816. This marks previous daily close, so we might find support there. The next one would be the $0.2629 level, and finally the 0.2213 at the previous daily low. So in summary, the support levels are the 0.2816, the 0.2629, and the $0.2213 levels. And the resistance levels are the 0.3683, the 0.4498, and the $0.6538 levels. Okay guys, that's been it from me for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you also want to check out other videos on cryptocurrency news, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and on-chain analysis, then feel free to check out these videos up above here. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.